These are the warning signs I see over and over again. I'm going to share with you exactly what I see when it comes to your middle schoolers' handwriting that, looking back, was actually a red flag, a warning sign that the handwriting struggles were really something that needed to be addressed. I get this from parents that call me, probably parents just like you watching this video, saying, I'm not even sure if this is something I should be worried about. Actually, what they ask a lot is, I'm not even sure if there's anything we can do to fix this problem. We're going to break down what these warning signs are and what you can do about them. So if you're wondering if your middle schooler's messy handwriting is something you should be concerned about, bring in some resources. If you answer yes to any of these warning signs we're about to get into, then chances are you should probably get some resources so you can go ahead and help them with their messy handwriting. All right, the first thing that we look at, first warning flag, is they write really, really slow. They get it done, they do the thing, they do the work, but the amount of time it takes them to write it down is extremely long because it takes them so long to get it done. Warning sign number 2 is not only are they slow, but it takes them so much effort to produce legible handwriting for worksheets even. When they have to write an essay or a paragraph, it's a huge effort for them to get it done, for them to get their thoughts on paper in a way that reflects what they actually know. Definite warning sign right there. Warning number 3, they do not want to write. Sometimes this looks like they're on a full-fledged strike. They will do anything. Their teacher says it has to be handwritten. They'll type it in. Their teacher says it has to be written by hand. They won't turn it in. They really just refuse to write, or, not so extreme, they will write the minimum. You know, the cat sat is what they will revert back to because the writing is so laborious, it's not automatic. Definite red flag. If you relate to any of these red flags that we've gone over so far, give me a thumbs up and comment in the section below. Another thing you will see is when they're doing their math equations, they constantly mess up. Not because they forgot to add or subtract, they forgot a decimal, it's because they didn't line the numbers up in the right way. Have you seen that before? That is a definite red flag that we need some interventions when it comes to handwriting. Here is a bonus red flag warning. This is like the holy grail of handwriting struggles in your middle schooler, a red flag that we need to do something. Usually when they get to me, they have seen the handwriting problems since they were younger. So if the handwriting problems didn't get any better since they were younger till now they're in middle school, we have a red flag warning. This shows up in 2 ways. Throughout the course of a school year, right? Handwriting will get better. You always see pictures of the beginning of the school year, and then you see at the end of the school year, and handwriting gets better, right? Because there's practice, there's developmental milestones that are being met. If we don't see that from the beginning to the end of the school year, that progress since they're younger, that's definitely a red flag warning. We also see the handwriting naturally develop from year to year. We see kindergarten, we see 1st grade, we see 2nd grade. You know, if they throw cursive in the mix, we see a progression. And with these kids that are older, we don't see that progression happen. That's a definite red flag. You know, we may have missed a year or year and a half in the actual classroom where a lot of this magical handwriting development happens, right? So if you don't see that development, that is a definite red flag that there's a problem with your middle schooler's handwriting. With these warning signs, you will know when you need to jump in and get resources. What you still need to know is how to get that handwriting to be fluent and automatic. You can learn all about that fluent automatic handwriting right here in this next video. I have a ton of handwriting resources at NicoleSantamaria.com under courses and memberships that can help your middle schooler with their handwriting struggles. If you said yes to any of these warning signs that I just talked about when it comes to your middle schooler's handwriting, the next step is to figure out how you can make this handwriting fluent, automatic, so your middle schooler can go ahead and use it and learn and move on with their life. This next video is going to show you exactly how to do that. I also have resources just for this age group on my website, which you can get the link down below. And if you like this video, go ahead and comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time.